After years in the local service lead generation business, one thing I started noticing is that companies with weaker trust signals almost always end up paying more for leads over time. And a lot of the HVAC owners don't realize how much bad reviews quietly affect not just trust, but visibility, conversion rates, and ultimately lead costs. Most business owners think bad reviews only affect reputation, but they also reduce click-through rates, conversion rates, and customer confidence. If two HVAC companies show up side by side and one has noticeable weaker reviews, customers naturally hesitate. Over time, that changes engagement patterns and lead flow. What starts happening is the hidden cost compounds over time. Companies with weaker trust signals often become more dependent on paid leads, local service ads, Google ads, and third-party lead platforms. Meanwhile, companies reinforcing trust consistently start building visibility momentum instead. The companies that consistently reinforce trust usually gets chosen more often, generate more direct calls, and reduce lead dependency over time. That's why I think HVAC companies need to think beyond just lead generation and focus more on long-term visibility momentum.